Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We are so happy to see you here again. I am Anna, and I am very excited for today. Learning English is a journey, and we are traveling together. How are you today? I hope you are feeling wonderful. Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends around the world. I am Tom. I am feeling very happy and very calm today. The sun is going down and the sky is a beautiful orange color. It is a perfect time to talk about our topic. You are right, Tom. The weather is very cool and nice tonight. I love this time of day. Before we start, I want to say thank you to all our new friends. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot. Yes, please subscribe and give us a like. We love reading your comments. Your comments make us very happy. Today we have a very special topic. We are talking about the night routine. The night routine is very important. It is the time to relax. It is the time to stop working. Tom, what is the first thing you do when you finish your work? When I finish my work, I feel a bit tired. I arrive home and I take off my shoes. I love taking off my shoes. My feet feel free. Then I put on my comfortable clothes. I wear my favorite gray sweatpants and a big t-shirt. I do the same, Tom. I arrive home and I say hello to my house. I put my keys on the table. I change my clothes too. I like to wear soft clothes at night. Soft clothes make me feel relaxed. Do you feel relaxed when you change your clothes? Yes, I do. It is like a signal for my brain. The signal says, the work is finished. Now it is time for Tom. I also like to drink a glass of water. It is important to drink water in the evening. That is true. Water is very good for your body. After I change my clothes, I go to the kitchen. I don't like big meals at night. I like light food. For example, I like soup or a small salad. What do you eat for dinner, Tom? I also like light food. Sometimes I eat a sandwich with ham and cheese, or maybe some fruit and yogurt. I eat slowly. Eating slowly is good for the stomach. I sit at my table and I don't use my phone. That is a very good habit, Tom. No phone at the table. I try to do that too. I listen to some quiet music. Quiet music helps my heart feel calm. Do you like music at night, Tom? I love music at night. I like jazz music or piano music. It is very soft. La la la. It is very peaceful. After dinner, I start the second part of my routine. I go to the kitchen and I wash my plate. I don't like to see dirty plates in the morning. Me neither. A clean kitchen makes me happy. I wash my cup and my bowl. Then I look at the clock. It is usually 8 p.m. Now it is time for the bathroom. The bathroom time is very important. In the morning, I wash my face with cold water to wake up, but at night, I take a warm shower. The warm water is very, very good. It feels like a hug for my body. A warm shower is the best part of the day. I use soap that smells like lavender. Lavender is a purple flower. The smell of lavender helps people sleep. Do you use soap with a special smell, Tom? I use soap that smells like the ocean. It is very fresh. I stand under the water for 10 minutes. I don't think about my problems. I only think about the water. After the shower, I dry myself with a big white towel. Then I put on my pajamas. I love my pajamas. They have small stars on them. I feel very cute and very warm. After my pajamas, I brush my teeth. Brushing teeth at night is very important. You must remove all the sugar from the day. I agree, Anna. I brush my teeth very well, up and down, left and right. Then I look in the mirror. I put some cream on my face. My skin feels dry in the winter, so the cream is very important. I use face cream too. It makes my skin soft. Now I am clean and I am in my pajamas, but I am not ready for bed yet. First, I must prepare for tomorrow. That is a very smart idea, Anna. If I prepare tonight, I am not stressed tomorrow. I choose my clothes for the next day. I look for my shirt, my trousers, and my socks. I put them on a chair. I do that too. I also prepare my bag. I put my notebook, my pen, and my keys in my bag. Then I don't have to run in the morning. Running in the morning is not fun. No, it is not fun at all. I also check my calendar. I look at my meetings for tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Now my brain is quiet because I know the plan. Exactly. Planning makes the brain quiet. Now it is 9:30 p.m. This is my favorite time. It is the time for no screens, no TV, no phone, no computer. The light from the phone is bad for sleep. Yes, the blue light is very bad. I put my phone on the charger. The charger is far from my bed. I don't want to look at my phone in the night. What do you do if you don't use your phone, Anna? I read a book. I love books. I have a book on my nightstand. I read maybe 5 or 10 pages. Reading makes my eyes tired in a good way. Do you read, Tom? Sometimes I read, but sometimes I write in my journal. A journal is a small book for my thoughts. I write 3 things that made me happy today. For example, today I saw a beautiful dog, I ate a delicious apple, and I talked to my friend Anna. That is so sweet, Tom. Writing happy things is very good for the mind. It is called gratitude. I am grateful for our listeners. Friends, what are you grateful for today? Please tell us in the comments. We love to read your stories. Yes, tell us one thing that made you happy today. It's a great way to practice English. Now I feel very sleepy. My eyes are heavy. I walk to my bed. I pull back the blankets. I am in my bed now too. The bed feels so good. It is soft and warm. I turn off the big light. I only have a small lamp. The room is almost dark. I lie down on my back. I lie on my side. I put my head on the pillow. The pillow is like a cloud. I take a deep breath. I breathe in and I breathe out. I do that too. I relax my feet. I relax my legs. I relax my hands. I think about tomorrow. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow is a good day. I feel very peaceful now. Thank you for talking with me today, Anna, and thank you to all our listeners. You are doing a great job with your English. Every day you are getting better. Yes, you are. Small steps every day. That is the secret. We are very proud of you. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend. Good night, Tom. Good night, Anna. Good night, everyone. See you in the next video. Sleep well. Sleep well and dream big. Bye-bye.